Welcome to Dahab. Dahab is a town in Egypt near the southern tip of Sinai, which is known to have one of the beautiful playground for diving enthusiasts, but one of the deadliest blue hole in the world. You can get to Dahab by riding a Go Bus, a bus company that runs to different towns in Egypt. You can book online at Fowry payment centers or just by walking into the main office in Ramses, which is if you're coming from Cairo to any point of provinces in Egypt. It's an 8 hours bus ride, and I advise you to buy water and snacks in the city. It usually stops in a designated bus stop for a couple of minutes. If you are new on Egyptian cuisine, you might not like it because the taste of the meat is according to the local taste. If you're not a picky eater, you can try the hot dogs, burger, shawarma, and of course the Shy, and of course the local Chipsy brand, you would be able to enjoy it as well. Once you get off the bus terminal in Dahab, you will not have a hard time going to your book hostel or hotel, since a lot of taxi driver will approach you, but be careful because they may charge you more than the usual amount. If you can, it will just take a good 25 minutes walk if you are booked on the center of tourism along Masbat Bay, or you can just request a service vehicle from your hotel. Along Masbat Bay, you will see a lots of travel tours, restaurant, souvenir shops, diving centers. So it is easy to book any tour you would like to join, together with the other tourists, or a private tour if you have the budget. You can also ask the front desk from where you are staying for the tours they can arrange for you. We booked a one-day tour going to Ras Abu Galum, Blue Lagoon, and Dahab's famous Blue Hole. Tour inclusion are food, water, and chai. That's only for lunchtime. And all transportation going to those places, from your hotel pickup, boat ride, and going back to the hotel, are included. I advise you separate the blue hole snorkeling or diving in a different day, because the best time to do the activities is in the morning when not a lot of tourists are there. You can rent fins, snorkeling gear, beach shoes, and life jackets along the or in front of the blue hole shore.
Check off your list of goodbyes. You're sick of Saturday nights when I call you. You ain't got time to. You say you waited for hours. But what if I priceless. I never take what you say from the bottle. Looking sideways, but how am I the one to blame when you're distorting pictures? Calling my name. Looking sideways, but how am I the one to blame when you're distorting pictures? Calling my name. I see what's next through details and text, and they see me stressed. Less I give, less I give. Figures in the wind, roll them in, roll them out. When the faded skin, overruled by the crowd. Figures in the wind, roll them in, roll them out. When the faded skin, overruled by the crowd. Figures in the wind, roll them in, roll them out. When the faded skin, overruled by the crowd. Figures in the wind, roll them in, roll them out. When the faded skin, overruled by the crowd.
Figures in the mirror, roll them in. Perfect color dripping right up off my skin. Roll them out, silver color, let them in. On the dial, tell your friends, give me something, play pretend. Pink and white, my favorite sin. Take a look.
Watch yourself, don't get too close. I done shook these niggas free. Body blows, let's on the later, adios. Just turn the knob and tell them kids to listen in.
Cause pink look white for the hell of it.
Looking sideways, but how am I the one to blame when you're distorting pictures? Calling my name.
Accommodation is also affordable, ranging from 300 Egyptian pounds to 8,000 for bed and breakfast. Eating lunch and dinner is a little bit expensive in the restaurants along Masbat Bay, but if you go on the end side before the White House and walk in a street towards the back street from the shore, you will be able to see cheap local food shop. Alcoholic drinks is also available in a store near Why Not Recycling Store. There are other activities which you can enjoy in Dahab according to your adventure taste. So enjoy your stay, and I hope this video have helped you in some way when you are planning to visit Dahab, Egypt. So once again, thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe. It would mean so much to me. And have a good day, guys. Chill and don't stress out.